In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send text messages in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a contact, compose a clear message, and send it confidently with a few best practices to keep everything smooth and compliant. Start by heading to your contacts area. This is where all your leads and customers live, and it's the best place to message someone one-to-one. Once you're in, make sure the person you want to reach has a valid mobile number on their profile and that you have permission to text them. Clear contact data and consent help your messages get delivered and keep you compliant. Open the specific contact you want to reach. This brings up their profile, where you can see previous conversations, notes, and activities. Taking a quick moment to scan their recent history helps you send a message with the right context and tone. Look for the More menu on the contact's profile. This menu gathers useful actions in one place, including messaging tools. If your screen is narrow, it may be tucked into an overflow menu, so expand or scroll as needed until you see it. Choose Send SMS from that menu. This opens the message composer. You'll see fields for internal labeling and the message body, and you might also see options to pull in templates if your account has them set up. This window is your hub for crafting and sending the text. Enter an action name. Think of this as your internal label for the message you're sending. A clear, descriptive name makes reporting and follow-up easier, especially when you or your team look back at contact activity later. If you have templates available, click to pick an SMS template. Templates help you stay consistent and save time, especially for routine messages like appointment reminders or follow-ups. After selecting one, review the text to ensure it fits this specific contact and situation, and make any small adjustments you need. Type or refine your SMS message. Keep it concise, friendly, and clear about the next step you want the contact to take. Personalize where appropriate, and aim to keep the message within a single text segment for better deliverability. Avoid links that look spammy, and use plain language so it's easy to read on mobile. When everything looks good, click Send SMS. Your message will be delivered to the contact and logged on their profile, so you can see exactly what was sent and when. From there, you can monitor replies in your conversations and continue the thread without losing context. That's all it takes to send a text in GoHighLevel. Simple, organized, and fast.